Thanks, gentlemen. Right. 5.6, power of attorney for execution of deeds. Ella, good afternoon.
So I'll take the report as being read. It's a fairly mechanical item and it seeks to formalise council's current practice whereby an elected member, normally the mayor, and the CEO sign deeds on behalf of council. And by putting in place the recommended power of attorney, it will ensure that the Property Law Act requirements are met for two elected members to sign deeds on behalf of council. Happy to answer any questions you may have.
Excellent. Yeah, Councillor Body.
The action is very straightforward, but we had an instance recently where the CEO was out of the country, he delegated. The mayor was unavailable, the deputy mayor was out of the country. Where do we sit on that issue? How does the chain of command? The top table is not an issue because it's elected.
In the instance where both the mayor and the deputy mayor are away, another elected member can sign deeds on behalf of council, and as long as the CEO and acting CEO there, then those Property Law Act requirements will be met. So there's, under the Property Law Act, there's nothing strictly that says it has to be the mayor or CEO or acting mayor that signs, just an elected member.
Could be,
yes.
The acting CEO could do a vote or something like that.
Very good. Any other questions about that? Straightforward. Lovely. All right. Thanks, Ella. There's a recommendation here moved by Councillor Stewart, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carried. Thanks, Ella.
Thanks.